those dumb birdies are soon gonna be my pet, and they're not gonna get their mom. Hey! Now you'll never defeat me. I got this one. Boomer got this one. Oh yeah, Boomer. What are you gonna? Ah! Ting! Oh no! Oh God! Ah! No, not the entrance! No! Not the entrance! You wanna go? Ah! Ow! Let's go! Mommy! I'm not your mom. Ow! I work for Bowser, you stupid little birds. Nah. That's what Mommy gets for not letting me play video games. Now let's fight for the right to beat the heck out of Bowser. Huh? Oh God. Now, let's see you defeat me. He has powers like us. Oh no! Now, you little pesky Yoshi dinosaur thing, you should be extinct. Powers are for good, not for bad. Oh, look, guys, I'm sorry your mom was evil, but that's okay. She never allowed me to play video games. Ever, ever, ever.